Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we are making abalone soup. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's slice 10 grams of fresh ginger into thin, delicate slices. These will add a wonderful aromatic flavor to our dish. Now, bring 500 milliliters of water to a boil in your pot. Once it's bubbling, we'll quickly blanch our 4 beautiful abalones for about a minute. This helps clean them and prepare them for steaming. Take them out and then give their shells a quick blanch too. Next, pour 500 milliliters of fresh water into your pot and place a steaming rack inside. Put your heat-proof dish on the rack. Arrange those blanched abalone shells and nestle the abalone meat back into their shells, like they're going back to their cozy homes. Then, add our ginger slices, 10 grams of Dendrobium. That's a traditional Chinese herb, and 10 grams of American Ginseng. Pour in 10 milliliters of cooking wine and add just enough water to barely cover the abalone. Season with 3 grams of salt. Pop the lid on. And now we wait for 1 hour. I know it sounds long, but trust me, it's worth every minute. When it's done, you'll have the most tender, flavorful abalone you've ever tasted, swimming in a deeply nourishing broth. Friends, you must try our abalone soup. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.